Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install maintenance requests with Fixflo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Fixflo for your maintenance requests, first, navigate to the Fixflo website.
Create a new account if you don't have one.
Sign in with your credentials if you already have an account.
Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard. Click on the Maintenance tab located on the left side of the screen.
Next, select New Request to start a new maintenance request.
Fill in the required details for the maintenance issue. Specify the location of the problem from the drop-down menu. Add a clear description of the issue you're experiencing. You can also upload photos to provide visual context. After you have entered all necessary information, review the request. Make sure all details are accurate and complete. When everything looks good, click on the Submit button to send your request.
You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted.
Monitor your request status by returning to the Maintenance tab. Here, you can view updates and any actions taken on your request.
If needed, you can also edit or add comments to your submitted request.
To close the request once the issue is resolved, go back to the Maintenance dashboard.
Select the request, then click on Close Request to finalize it.
You've now successfully installed maintenance requests using Fixflo.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.